Oh my God.
Smile at the camera. Smile at the camera. One more last year. One more, Kuya. Smile. Okay.
Wow, that's cool. Look at me, Bug.
They're finished in
Liam.
because it's liquid naman. So.
Liam. So, Liam, where are we?
HMC.
Seaside?
Seaside SMC.
Are we at Ocean Park Resort?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see what? Fishes and...
Fish and sharks and snakes.
Stingray.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm definitely excited about this. How about you, Mom? Are you excited?
Yeah, excited.
Long trip over here, though, huh?
Oh yeah, it makes me a little bit nervous.
In the tunnel. You hate tunnels.
Yeah, I don't like tunnels. I'm scared. I don't know why.
Let's go in. A walk-in line. You can buy online. Well, we're walking.
Pretty.
Like a jungle. Yeah.
Oh. Whoa, Liam, look down there. Whoa, Liam, look over this glass.
Look at BB.
Whoa, that's as big as you. Liam, go over here and look at. Oh, get over here and get a picture. Hey guys.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
Ah, so tatoy.
Sometimes down here they'll let you pet one. Pet you a bearded dragon or something, or a lizard. It's kind of a cool bird.
Oh, arowana.
Whoa.
Arowana.
It's the. I already see that.
You like that, buddy?
Mama, we didn't see that fish before.
Where'd you see
Yeah.
that one at?
In the office.
Oh yeah.
Arowana.
Whoa. Whoa, pretty.
See? So excited.
Oh, it's inside. Yeah, we'll be there in about.
It's good that that we bring him here.
What do you think, Bug?
You like here?
Oh, lady, buddy.
Mom, can you? We need to do something about his. So you don't have to carry his water container.
Yeah, give me your water. Give me your water, love, love.
Liam.
Give me your water. You like here?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
God.
You can pet the lizard bug. You want?
Look at that big fish.
You want to touch it, Bug?
You wanna touch?
Yeah.
You wanna pet her?
Will the kids do it if I do it?
Oh, Liam, definitely.
Oh, he'll get in there?
Oh yeah.
I wasn't sure if the girls might be scared though.
I'm done.
You done?
Done, kuya.
You done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared.
He wants to touch you, Daddy.
Yeah. Come over here, Bug. You have
Go,
to
Daddy,
wait your
go.
turn.
Don't get in line.
Hold on, Bug. Okay, Bug.
You good?
Go ahead. You can touch him.
Very gentle. Oh, isn't that cool?
Wow.
What does it feel like, Liam?
You got alcohol?
Yeah, I have.
Like,
Yeah.
a lot of times lizards will carry bacteria on their skin, so make sure you wash it.
Dali, wash out the hand. Get your alcohol.
Lizards have bacteria.
You wanna pet?
Of course, Liam does. Wow. What does it feel like?
It feels good and
Ma, what does it feel like?
Ew.
You're not gonna touch him?
No. That still feels good, but then
Right,
it
Liam?
more good.
Oh. No, it's okay. Thank you. Oh, it's not moving. We gotta climb. That is about 7 feet long. It's a hedgehog? Where's it at? Oh. Oh, there he is. You see the hedgehog in there? Yeah, right there. What do you think about that big snake, Bug? Huh? You don't like that snake? Liam, wave. See, he's waving at you. Look at the size of that stingray. Look, Liam, look. Liam, look at the size of the stingray in the diver mouth.
Oh, kabig.
Feeding time. Yeah, they're hungry.
They're so happy about that.
It is a nice place. I was telling them about how it's 600 pesos to get in during the weekday. It's 800 pesos to get in on the weekends.
Weekends.
Yeah, the weekends.
Yeah, it's good. It's like sulit.
Yeah.
The kids is so happy. They can see a
Yeah, the real fish and
fish, sharks, stingray, different kinds of fish, and also different kinds of
the giant
Snake.
groupers.
and also the giant stingray.
Yeah, there's some giant stingrays in there. Liam, tell me what do you think about this place so far?
It's good.
You think it's good? You want to come back here again?
Yeah.
What do you like so far? The best thing so far?
Sharks.
You like the sharks? Were you scared of them like you thought you'd be?
No.
Nope. You can see them swim over your head, huh?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool, though. I like that. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. This isn't the full one, though.
Yeah.
Oh. There feels good.
Lots of people.
Yeah.
Because next week is the start of the school, so
Oh.
the parents.
Ooh, I see a stingray.
They got little sharks in here, black tip sharks in here too. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, a lot of people here. Oh, the shark bug. Look at the stingray. Liam, the stingray above you. Whoa. Whoa, that's called a grouper. That's a big boy there. Whoa! Other people want to look, honey. Ow! Black tip. Oh, they also call them reef sharks. You see the shark, Liam? Ma, did you see the sharks? They're going around that one.
We saw it. That
Oh, look there, right there, right there.
the shark,
There's another one. Up there, Mom.
The mommy, the baby. See the shark?
Oh, look there, right there, right there.
That's how they shark. Shark. Bangus still? Lagi bangus. Bangus na no? Oh, bangus.
Whoa, go up inside. Fine. Look. Wait a minute, guys. Oh. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah, there's a big one.
Yeah.
It's real?
Yeah, they're real.
Oh, yeah. I think this one can be eaten man nga jellyfish. Come on, we'll go na there. Yeah.
Thousands of them.
You probably go to her. You should probably go to her side.
Sorry, kuya. I think that's pampano fish, the one that I buy. Yeah, I tried eating that one. That one also.
So you're eating the fish people are looking at.
That's a pampano bitaw.
So you're eating the fish people look at?
No, milkfish. Oh, that's a milkfish.
Oh, you like those fish?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're coming, we're coming. Are you, Liam, you like this place so far?
That's a big shark that is looking.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's where the fish will nibble at your feet. Sorry. Oh,
Let's go to the bird show.
okay.
Now, are you ready for a basketball game? Mag-inay mag-energy. Are you ready for a basketball game? All right, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go. Let's go blue, let's go Azul. Now first ball for Azul. Followed by blue and another ball for both birds and last ball. Blue wins this game. That's all right, Azul. Now get your cameras ready as Freddy will fly across the stage. And so that is it for Philippine Serpent Eagle.
Think about that, bug. You like that? Yeah?
I hope you always see birds
We never seen a bird call before, did we?
That is going to show us
We never seen someone call a bird with a whistle, did we?
Both are released.
Then they come down.
Oh.
He can wipe his hand, Mom.
Nothing. I'm still
So
eating.
sadly, a lot of animals today
Enough na kayo. That's too sweet. Wala na kay water.
management and pollution. So always